Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce unbox review for special Android head unit for Mazda 6 28 to 2012 years. Okay, here's the box. You can check head unit with good condition. Okay. Here is the head unit, Mazda 6. Okay, let me introduce honey set first. Here is canvas box. This connector connects the. You can check. This is special harness. It's radio antenna. It's a radio antenna. Okay, this connect back of head unit. This is special for your car. Special connector for your car. Okay, let me connect this canvas box. Connect is real. You can check Mazda 6. Okay. This is the install parts. This is dash kit. Installer dash kit. This is remote controller. GPS antenna. Come with 2 USB cable and the external microphone. It's a mini front USB. External microphone. Camera input. Okay. And AUX input, left and right. This video input. Okay. And this audio cable, this subwoofer, RC tab. Okay, this video out 1 and video out 2. And the audio cable front and rear, left and right. Okay. This AUX left input, left and right. Okay. Here is the drama agent. Okay, you can check the side. This side. Please uninstall this two screw on the top of radio. This back of head unit, fuse, connector, GPS, this connector radio port, the Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, this is front panel. Okay, let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, the head unit will be start up. Okay. Okay, let me check the head unit. This is microphone with DVD slot, reset hole, this volume button. Let me please tear out this screw protector before using. Okay, let me do it later. You can check this front panel. This mini front USB port, IR GPS slots, the home button, back button. Okay. This run octa-core PX5, very fast response. Okay, you can install the wallpaper from installer. OEM. Back button. Okay. Very fast response. Okay, you can check. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. And you can choose language. This model is PX5. Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay, let me back the home. Okay, that's all. Thank you.